Hello. Today's lesson, we're going to discuss Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a powerful tool. We're going to first go over the login and get you started. If you've already logged into Edpuzzle, then you can go ahead and skip this video and start on the second video. However, take note, something new that's here in EdVideo down here towards the bottom is you now have an iOS app, an Android app, a Chrome app, and a YouTube extension. The iOS app is really helpful for those that have Apple devices. They can set it home and still access Edpuzzle to complete assignments. Android app, I've not had an opportunity to test that out. I understand that it may still be in development. Chrome app, I've clicked on that. I've installed it on my Chromebook. I'm having some difficulties. It could be something that we need to work with the technology department to see if there's something they can do. And the same with this YT extension, YouTube extension. For both of those, it's something I will try to get with the technology department later this year and see what they can do. Otherwise, feel free to, like I said, follow along if you've yet to log into Edpuzzle. The second video will start for those that have already been able to log in. Okay, this is the very opening page of Edpuzzle when you first come to it. And all you have to do is type up here in the address bar edpuzzle.com or use Google and just type in Edpuzzle and it'll take you to this site. As you can see, this is where both teachers and students can access it. Teacher, when you click on this, if you've not logged in before, it will open up a screen that has a little video that gives you a brief introduction to Edpuzzle. All you have to do is click on Start Tour, and that will then go through this. On this next page of the tour of Edpuzzle, they're showing you how you can edit your video clips. And if you'll notice here, you have to literally drag it in on both sides. And when it turns green, that means you understand that concept. And up here, it has a continue option. We're going to go ahead and skip over that. Next, you can add questions, and all you have to do is click down here on the green arrow to add a question. I'm going to go ahead and type in, what is your name, question mark, and now I'm going to continue. Now they're going to be starting to talk about how you can follow the student's progress using the gradebook. We will get into that a lot more as we go along. So first, we're going to go ahead and click on here where it says Create My First Lesson. And this is where they want you to log in. For Temple teachers, the easiest way just is to click on Google, and it'll ask you to validate. If you do not have a Google account, you can set up your own account using your email, or you could use Edmodo. I'm going to click on Google. Now, I have used several different Google accounts on this Chromebook, so it's asking me which one I want to use. I'm going to use my TISD Google account, and now it's going to pull up things that I've already created. This is where they're encouraging you to invite students. We'll come to that in a moment. Right now, you can see up here at the very top, search, my content, and my classes. Currently, we're looking at my classes, and that's what this class is the Edpuzzle training class. You'll see over here, add class. I could build more classes, the assignment, the due date, the percentage of students that's completed it, and I can even share it outside of Edpuzzle if I need to. Many different things you can do here. We're going to start with inviting your students. Now, when I click on that, you can see I have a code here that I can post up on the wall or a bulletin board. That way, students can come in, they just log into Edpuzzle, put in that code, and it would open up the Edpuzzle class that I'm teaching. The other option is a link, and this is where I could email it to my students. I could just post it on a website. I can use all these other tools here to make it happen.